Hey, to turn on or off the camera watermark on the Samsung Galaxy A55 5G, first when you are in the camera, open the photo mode and then click on the settings icon in the left upper corner. Now from this, move into the watermark and click on the switcher to turn it on and off. If you want to use watermark, you can also customize this function. So you have to click right here. And as you can see, first we can actually view or hide the model of our device. From this, we can even set the date and the time. What is actually interesting that we can change the time format. I mean the date format and of course the time format. From this, we can also change position of this watermark and even we can change font. So now when you take the photo, it will be visible just right here at the bottom of your screen. So as you can see, that's all for this video. Right now, please subscribe to my channel.